Hey, hello everyone. Today we have with us Mahipal Singh Negi, and Mahipal has done his MA in economics, and now he's currently working as a data analyst in Cynet Corp. I'm extremely happy to have you here, Mahipal, and
Thank you.
congratulations for getting a job in the space of data analytics and data science. So
Thanks.
my first question to you is, how was your journey with 360DigiTMG? And what kind of real world projects you worked
Uh,
with AiSPRY? Can you give more insights on that? Thank you.
yeah, it was a wonderful journey with 360 MG, and a lot of things I have learned. And from a non-IT background, moving into IT background was very difficult for me. And but 360 helped me a lot, like mentors. I keep on asking the questions and answers, questions, and they were keep on telling me that how means they were giving me the roadmap how you should proceed to get a good job. So thank you. And the best thing about 360 is the curriculum. When I came to 360, my mindset was to study data analytics. But when I saw the curriculum, it was very well defined and very elaborated form. Means you have got NASCOM also, you have got Sunny certification also. So I can say like I have got more than what I was expecting. Right? So I had to and the second thing is the mind map. It was the very shortest route if you want to learn something. That is the mind map. Third one I'll say is the definitely project. Project helped me like whatever I have studied in the classroom that gives the opportunity to implement that thing in the real world project. That is the thing. And the uh, second, last one is the mentors. Mentors help me a lot in getting and training me in this field. Yes.
Wonderful, wonderful, Mahipal. And Mahipal, what would this is a final question. We keep it very short, usually. According to you, how should someone prepare? Because a lot of students are currently undergoing the training. A few students would have just completed the training. What would your suggestion or guidance be for them on in studying and getting into this field of data analytics? What would your guidance be for them?
Um, the one thing I will tell to all the this thing students like how I prepared. I prepared like you already said that you try for 200%. If we learn something 200, we will get to know means we will recollect 100 thing. So that is the approach. I was into data analytics, but I was preparing as I am in a data science. So I was means technology is something, it's never ending. Like you, if you keep on searching, you will get a lot of things. And I think knowledge is everywhere. It's only that the person has to grab it, to get it. So that was my goal. Means every day I was learning new things. I was means whatever the things I've been taught in the classroom. And you should in the back of the mind there was like how we can implement that in the real world, whatever has been taught in the classroom. So that was my goal. And I was learning means everything, whatever means extra knowledge, if somebody takes, that is also helping. And one thing also you said, like if your Rome was not built in a day, means every day you have to practice and patience. That's the key to my success.
Absolutely, no doubt about that. So every day you have to keep practicing, keep practicing,
Yes.
keep practicing, so that the concepts become like the back of your hand, right? And when
Yes.
you prepare for your exams, say you're doing your graduation or post-graduation, when you prepare for your exams, think about it as if 80% is a cutoff, right? If you cross 80%, you'll pass your exam. With that mindset, if you know 80% of things on the training concepts, then you'll be able to easily crack the interviews.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you
That's,
so much, my pal, for your time
it's my
and
pleasure,
all the
sir.
very best for your future.
Thank
Please stay in touch.
you.
Thank you
Definitely.
so much.
Thank you very
Bye.
much, sir. Thank you.